I don't know what to like do with my hair because it's like sort of a mess. I may just leave it like that. I'm going to start off by putting the contacts. I got these contacts from Optica and they're hazel in color. So I'm just gonna put them real quick, then be right back. So now that I'm done, first thing I usually do is my eyebrows, cause there's no curls. Now the next thing I usually do is apply eyeshadow. Like I usually use the same eyeshadow like every single day. There's no time you will find me not using that eyeshadow. So I usually go with this Masquerade Mini by Juvia, and I use this one combined with this shade and this shade. So I usually use those three shades to as an eyeshadow, and pack it up with that blending brush and just use it all over your eye. Like it's just a daily thing. It's not like I'm going out anyways. So even if I was going out, it would still be chilled. It's like not a dramatic look. It's just a pretty simple look. So I'm just gonna use those three and use them as one and not even do anything else. Okay, so we have that. Just gonna add a little bit more product. That I've actually done it. I use the same style. I don't change Mary Kay foundation, and I'm not applying this to my entire face. What I usually do is you see where I have like these curtains that I usually get, like, they're not pimples because they're not that big. What I usually do is I pop them and they become scars and they leave me with black marks, which never end, which don't usually clear up really fast. So because of that, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that Mary Kay foundation. So this foundation is kind of orangey for me. So what I do next is, I'm going to be using that Black Up contouring stick and the darker side, and just contour my cheekbones, cause I'm just gonna, it's a lot. So I'm just going to add that there and there and reduce my forehead a little bit. So yeah. Next, I'm going to take that concealer, the one I just used, and apply it on my forehead. Let me just turn this way. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use. Next thing I'm going to use is these little sponges that I got from Mingina. So I still haven't finished them. It's practically about 7 months here, and they're not done. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take that MAC Prep and Prime and put it on, dampen my wedge with it, then blend all this out.
we ain't scared to make some noise, and keep until the morning light, Cause don't you know the city never sleeps at night. We're just saying yeah, we're just going oh, we're just shouting hey, yeah. Cause we're owning this dance floor like a New York catwalk. Take a picture and save it. We're gonna be X-rated, and tonight we gon' party like there's no tomorrow. So take a picture, remember, it's gonna be X-rated. We're on top tonight. We will not come down. We're on fire. We're going high. We're just saying yeah. Oh, hey, yeah. Cause we're on this dance floor like a New York catwalk. Take a picture and say that we're gonna be X-rated, and tonight we gonna party like there's no tomorrow. So take a picture, remember, it's gonna be X-rated.
We're on top tonight. We will not come down. We're on fire. We're going high.
Feeling like we're superstars. Paparazzi flashing lights. So roll out the red carpet now. $1 million in the rise. We're aiming for the headlines. Names written on neon signs. Oh yeah.
I don't know what to like do with my hair because it's like sort of a mess. I may just leave it like that. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to leave me a comment of what you guys probably want to see next. Follow me on Instagram and Instagram and Twitter at Mingina_ and Snapchat at Mingina_ Eve. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.